In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hover text on images in Wix. The quickest way to do this in Wix is by using a hover box element. This is a really useful option because it lets you show one view by default, and then reveal text or other content when someone moves their mouse over the image. It looks clean, interactive, and it's a great way to make your website feel more polished. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, add a new section to the page where you want this image hover effect to appear. Giving yourself a dedicated section makes it easier to position everything neatly and keep the design organized. Next, go to the left side menu and click Add Elements, which is the plus icon. From there, open the interactive category and select Hover Boxes. You will see several box styles available, and you can choose any one you like, because you will be customizing it anyway. After adding the hover box to your page, you will want to clear out the default content that comes with it. Delete the existing elements from both the regular view and the hover view. This gives you a blank starting point so you can build the effect exactly the way you want. Now, in the regular view, resize the container box so it matches the image size you want to use. This step is important because the box will define the visible area and overall dimensions of the hover effect. Take a moment to make sure it fits well with the rest of your page layout. Once the box is sized correctly, drag your image into the box. Make sure you place it directly into the hover box until you see the Attach to Box label. That confirms the image is connected properly to the container, which is what allows the hover effect to work as intended. After that, switch to the hover view using the option at the top of the element. In this view, click Add to Hover in the top left. Then choose Text. Type in the hover text you want visitors to see when they move over the image. Finally, customize the fonts, colors, and layout, so the text is easy to read and matches your website's style. You can keep it simple or make it more eye-catching depending on your design. Just make sure the text stands out clearly against the image for the best user experience. And that's it. Thanks for watching.